Welcome to Xciting Machines. In this video, we will talk about how flying cars from China are set to change the world. These high-tech vehicles can take off and land vertically, making travel faster and easier. They promise to reduce traffic, cut emissions, and bring a new era of personal air transport. As technology advances, flying cars are becoming closer to reality. Stay tuned to Xciting Machines to learn more about this exciting future of transportation. Number 1. Xpeng Aero HT Land Aircraft Carrier. The Xpeng Aero HT Land Aircraft Carrier is a revolutionary concept that combines the versatility of a land vehicle with the convenience of a flying aircraft. Developed by Xpeng Aero HT, the aviation arm of Xpeng Motors, this futuristic machine features a 6-wheeled electric truck that functions as a ground transport vehicle while housing a fully integrated flying drone in its rear compartment. The aircraft itself is a foldable electric vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicle designed to be deployed seamlessly from the truck, allowing users to transition between driving and flying modes effortlessly. Xpeng's innovation aims to redefine urban mobility, offering a practical solution for congested city streets, off-road exploration, and emergency response scenarios. The flying module is built to take off vertically, making it ideal for navigating dense urban areas or escaping traffic. With autonomous capabilities, the aircraft can operate safely with minimal pilot intervention, enhancing both convenience and accessibility. Set to enter mass production by 2026, the land aircraft carrier represents a significant leap in personal air travel and electric mobility. Xpeng Aero HT continues to push boundaries in the flying car industry, and this hybrid vehicle could revolutionize how people commute, travel, and interact with transportation technology in the near future. Number 2. Xpeng Voyager X2. The Xpeng Voyager X2 is an advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Xpeng Aero HT, the aviation subsidiary of Xpeng Motors. Designed as a futuristic air taxi, the Voyager X2 is a fully electric, autonomous flying vehicle that aims to redefine personal air travel and urban mobility. With a sleek, aerodynamic design, it is equipped with 8 propellers and 4 arms, allowing for a stable and efficient vertical takeoff and landing. One of its key advantages is its zero-emission electric propulsion system, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional transport. The Voyager X2 is designed for low-altitude urban flights, offering a range of around 35 minutes on a single charge, with a top speed of approximately 130 kilometers per hour. 81 miles per hour. It operates fully autonomously, using advanced sensors and AI-driven navigation to ensure safe and precise flights. The Voyager X2 has already undergone multiple test flights, including its first public flight in Dubai in 2022, demonstrating its potential for commercial use. As part of Xpeng Aero HT's vision, this vehicle could serve as an alternative to ground transportation, providing an efficient and futuristic mode of travel for urban dwellers. With ongoing advancements, it is expected to play a crucial role in the future of smart cities and aerial mobility. Number 3. Terrafugia Transition. The Terrafugia Transition is a pioneering roadable aircraft designed to function as both a drivable car and a light sport aircraft. Originally developed by Terrafugia, a company founded by MIT engineers, the project later became part of Geely Holding Group, a Chinese automotive giant. This innovative vehicle represents a significant step toward making personal flying cars a reality by offering seamless transition between road and air travel. The transition features foldable wings, allowing it to switch from driving to flying mode in under a minute. On the ground, it operates like a regular car, fitting into standard garages and using conventional fuel. However, when airborne, it transforms into a fully capable aircraft, reaching speeds of around 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, and a range of approximately 640 kilometers, 400 miles. The transition requires a runway for takeoff and landing, making it ideal for private pilots and short-distance air travel. Equipped with modern avionics, a lightweight carbon fiber body, and a safety parachute system, the transition prioritizes both efficiency and security. Despite facing regulatory and technical challenges, Terrafugia has continued developing the vehicle for potential commercial use. The transition is a stepping stone toward a future where flying cars become a practical option for personal and business transportation. Number 4. Xciting EH216S. The Xciting EH216S is a fully autonomous, electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Xciting, a Chinese company specializing in urban air mobility solutions. Designed for passenger transportation, air tourism, and emergency response, the EH216S represents a major breakthrough in autonomous aerial vehicles. Unlike traditional aircraft, it requires no pilot on board, relying entirely on advanced AI-driven flight control systems to navigate and operate safely. The EH216S features 16 propellers mounted on 8 arms, providing stable and efficient vertical lift. It can carry 2 passengers with a maximum payload of 220 kilograms, 485 pounds, and has a flight range of 35 kilometers, 22 miles, with a top speed of approximately 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour. Being fully electric, it produces zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly alternative to helicopters and other conventional aircraft. One of its most significant achievements is receiving China's first production certificate for a passenger-grade autonomous aerial vehicle, paving the way for large-scale commercial operations. The EH216S has already been tested in multiple countries, proving its viability for urban air mobility, smart city transportation, and even medical emergency applications. As Xciting continues to refine its technology, the EH216S is poised to play a crucial role in the future of autonomous air travel. Number 5. Autoflight Prosperity Eye. The Autoflight Prosperity Eye is an advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Autoflight, a Chinese aviation company focused on urban air mobility solutions. Designed for short-distance passenger travel, this innovative aircraft aims to revolutionize transportation by offering a sustainable, efficient, and quiet alternative to traditional aviation. Prosperity Eye features a lift and cruise design, meaning it uses separate rotors for vertical takeoff and horizontal flight. It is powered by an all-electric propulsion system, producing zero emissions while maintaining high energy efficiency. The aircraft can carry up to 4 passengers, has a projected range of 250 kilometers, 155 miles, on a single charge, and reaches a top speed of approximately 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. One of the most significant milestones for Prosperity Eye was obtaining a type certificate from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, CAAC, marking a crucial step toward commercializing eVTOL technology. Autoflight has conducted multiple successful test flights, including a record-breaking 250-kilometer journey on a single battery charge. With its autonomous flight capabilities, high safety standards, and practical range, the Prosperity Eye is expected to play a major role in the future of air taxis, intercity transport, and emergency services, helping shape the next era of urban air mobility. Thanks for watching. The future of transportation is flying high with China's advancements in flying cars. As these electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicles move closer to reality, we can look forward to a world where traffic congestion and long commutes are a thing of the past. The potential for faster, cleaner, and more efficient travel is just around the corner. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Xciting Machines for more exciting updates on innovations that will change the way we live and move. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking content on the future of technology.